They bought Twitter's legendary logo for $34,000 in an auction, then packed it with explosives and blew it to pieces in the Nevada desert. But why?
Meet Digit, a startup trying to challenge Facebook Marketplace. Their launch strategy? Detonate the symbol of what used to be Twitter. And yes, they filmed everything.
So one of the things that I believe Twitter should do is open source the algorithm and make any changes.
According to the founder of Ditchit, Twitter's rebranding under Elon Musk inspired us. Translation: they think mainstream platforms are too corporate, too algorithmic, too expensive for the average person.
Three, two, one.
Now, they're auctioning off chunks of the Twitter bird itself on their app to fund startup advocacy through a non-profit. Larry the bird may be gone, but his ashes there for sale. Was this bold marketing? Or a waste of metal and memory? Drop your take in the comments and subscribe for more wild tech stories every week, only on TechTymz.